Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping in today to see what I am up to. And what I'm up to today is my American Influencer Awards Beauty Bundle. It's a lot of words. This one, I know what's inside. I mean, I don't know what individual products are inside. I know this is another hair care. Not thrilled about it. This is a bi-monthly box. So I think in the last year, this is the third hair care box. So that's getting a little annoying. I still haven't used all the previous hair care items. I mean, I don't wash my hair every day. I wash my hair every third day, fourth day. In the summer, more like every other, just because, you know, you get sweaty and all that stuff in the summer. But in the winter, I can go every 3-4 days, and Oreo just popped down. She knows Bully Make is coming up soon today. And so with this, if I see ahead of time, excuse me, that we're getting another hair care box, I'll skip it if I can, or I'll cancel this and then maybe re-sign up. I don't know, but I do not need any more hair care items. So as I open this box, the AIA Beauty Bundle, like I said, is bi-monthly. It's $34, free US shipping. And the Beauty Bundle box gives you access to influencer brands and products maybe that you might not necessarily purchase, which is always a great way to try brands out. Like I love the Guy Tang stuff that we received the first box, the Trust Professionals, phenomenal. I'm currently using that. But so now we have this box, which, you know, like I said, gets to be a little overwhelming. I would rather the makeup because I can share more of that. Liquids I can't ship. It's just a hassle and I don't want to be bothered. Each bundle features a new influencer. Each box, from what I read, it doesn't duplicate, or if it does, it's a long time before we see that brand again or that influencer. You get 5 to 6 full-size beauty products, which can be makeup, skincare, or hair care. Every bundle is valued at least $100, and they do donate $1 from each bundle purchased to charity, which is always great. And this bundle is that the brand? Authentic Beauty Concept. And then you do get the list of products with a price on the back. This is what, oh, this box is heavy, looks like. And then when you lift this up, these are all the products. So let's just go through them and see what we have here. Take that out. First product, I guess maybe I'm not going to go in order. I'm just going to pull things out. So like I said, Authentic Beauty Concept. This is a hydrating mask for dry hair, which my hair's not really dry. But again, you can still use it. This has a value of $38. This is a hydrating mask. It's intensive yet lightweight treatment that deeply moisturizes while bringing back elasticity and shine, which I'm fine with. You know, I'm not big on masks, but oh, that smells nice. And that's full, not half full. It's not big, gigantic air pockets. So that looks like it's more like a whipped product, $38. The next thing is a Hydrate Lotion. And also, the whole thing looks like it's for dry hair. $28. This lightweight lotion fights frizz and helps to protect the hair from blow-dry damage. That's awesome. That's just a little out of shape, but that's okay from shipping, I'm sure. Then the next thing here looks like a blow-dry primer. That's nice to have. Blow-dry primer is $28, and it says this fluid prep mist with protection against blow-dry damage creates the ideal base for any hairstyle and provides a subtle control with light conditioning. That's nice. Does it give ingredients? I'll have to, yeah, it does. But, and these are good sizes. This is 250 ml, so it's 8 ounces. The Hydrate Lotion is 150 ml, 5 ounces, and the mask is 200 ml or 6.7 fluid ounces, which is nice. Then here we have a Hydrate Conditioner, and this is $28. This lightweight conditioner moisturizes normal to dry or curly hair and helps it appear supple and smooth. 250 ml or 8.4. And then Hydrate Cleanser, same price, $28. 300 ml 10.1. So that's a little bit bigger of a bottle. Let me just read what anything special about that. This pleasant cleanser brings back elasticity and shine to normal to dry or curly hair, leaving hair feeling fresh and not stripped. So they're the 5 items that I received from Authentic Beauty Concept. Something just fell. I don't know what that was. And, you know, I'm happy to have it, but it gets overwhelming with all the hair care. So let's move this to the back. And then, oh, let's get rid of this. And then I have make sure, a little purchase I made from Philosophy. I love Philosophy's Purity Made Simple facial cleanser. I have it in a huge pump. I have it in small bottles and samples. Love that to clean my face with as a first. I mean, I use micellar wipes, get majority, and then I love using that as my next step. But I love, and I don't think there's prices on this paper. No. I will have to post prices on the screen when I do the editing, but I love Pure Grace from Philosophy, and this is a body spritz. I've been using this for years, and it was out of stock everywhere, and finally I saw it on Philosophy's site, so I did pick it up because I do love that. And then I had to try this, and I've never had this from them, and this is their Eau de Parfum, and this is the Pure Grace also. And this will probably last me a lot longer. This is 60 ml, 2 fluid ounces. And this is 236 ml, 8 fluid ounces. And this does last me more than 1 year. I mean, I don't put this on every day. But in the summertime, this is just a clean, fresh smell. That's what Pure Grace is. It says, Pure Grace is the clean smell of soap and water. The memory of fresh air woven into a set of crisp, white cotton sheets, a cold, deep breath on a snowy winter night, the best summer morning you have ever known, the one white t-shirt that feels better than all the rest. And this is the body spritz. And this probably does have a little, the same saying since it's all Pure Grace. I love Pure Grace. I'm trying to think if my total was $60, I think. Because, you know, these are not cheap. I think these are about $46. And I don't remember how much this was, but I think in total it was $60. They were offering 25% off, I think. But I will post that when I pop a picture up at the end. The prices, great. Pure Grace is, in my opinion, the best one that they have. I don't like, you know, they have, I don't know, 5 others maybe. And it really just depends on your taste. But I like this because it's not overpowering. You know, you can smell it at different times of the day on you. Sometimes I spritz a little bit in my hair. And it's just like it says, that clean, fresh smell. I have to be careful with scent because if it's too overwhelming, I'll get a headache. And if that's all I can smell and it's overpowering, then I get sick to my stomach. I just can't do it. So that is my AIA Beauty Bundle. And I do believe this is is that the April-May one? Probably the April-May bundle. Hopefully we'll see what June, July offers. And like I said, if I see another one that's hair care, I'll either skip it if I can. I don't know if I can skip a box. If not, I'll cancel it. And if I want to rejoin after I cancel, then I'll just rejoin. Because I do like the bundle. It's just, I don't want any more hair care. I mean, 3 bundles in 1 year when we only get 6 boxes a year. It's a little bit much. So, and if you're interested in Philosophy, I'll leave their website down below. You can click on that and go see what they have. A lot of times in like some department stores, you can smell these. They do sell these, I think, at either Sephora or Ulta. I'm not sure what one. And I've seen these all over the place. If you wanted to smell them, you can, you know, go test them out for yourself. And I'm sure in a lot of the perfume counters, they have these where you could maybe have a tester and smell them. Because like I said, there's 5, 6, 7, there's multiple scents. I think this is the best one because it's the cleanest without any rose or this or that, or, you know, Amazing Grace is good also, but I like Pure Grace for the clean, fresh smell of it. So I hope everyone's doing well. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.